Rightio, few tips on making a model steam train for you blokes. Right, should be pretty obvious even to you two by now where you've been going wrong. Look at that. 15 minutes, look at the quality. 15 minutes work, not years. There's your problem, boys. You're using way too much metal. Get into wood. That's the quick and easy way to do these sort of jobs. Steaming. Rightio, here's the train, bit of a sand. Not pretty good. Now, I've looked up the internet, and not only can you make steam engines and steam trains, but I believe it's possible to make diesel engines, but I haven't tried. And on the other side there's a nice little hummingbird. You can see a bit of vice marks there, but that doesn't matter. And how much detail you can get in it, it's really quite impressive. But anyway, that's enough of that nonsense. Get on to more serious things. Toys have come from China. Here's one of those little pumps, $13. Look at that, made in Italy. I don't know how the Chinese got onto the things, but beautiful quality. Now my problems are, I'm going to make a plate up, 10mm plate to sit on top, milled exactly the same holes, and this has been machined, that surface. You can see the machine marks. So I'm just hoping that O-ring, by getting crushed between the piece I make and there, will seal properly. I think it will. And then I'll just drill 2 side holes in, halfway drill up into the plate, side holes, and screw a nozzle in each side. So that's the hydraulic pump. The other problem is fitting it to a motor, because all my motors, this is meant to run at 2000 revs, all my model aeroplane motors run about 15,000, so I've got to gear it somehow. I think 15,000 revs is too fast for gears, so maybe I could use those timing belt things. I don't know if it'll be too fast for them even. But anyway, there's your bag of them there, eh? What I got from the scrap metal dealers. Next toy that turned up, and this has all been scanned by McAfee's virus scanner, so it's pretty safe of norovirus. That's the diff. Look at the size of the thing. It's way bigger than I thought. And I'd drawn all this bloody diff housing and axle housings in Fusion 360, so I'm a bit disappointed, because really that's going to be way good enough. Heaps of bearings in there. There's about 8 bearings or 10 bearings or something in there. A couple of quite big bearings. I'd drawn it to have a join along that line there, with screws coming in that way, that piece solid. But anyway, I think I'll just use it as it is. It's too good to pull to bits and make a whole new one. Very good. Works beautifully. No backlash in the gears. It works as a differential. You can see that we're spinning backwards there. And then the tyres. These are cheapy ones, $2 each or something, but they're too spongy. They've got some sort of foam insert as a tube. See if we can get that in the light. Yeah, you can see there's a bit of foam in there. I think I could make them inflatable. Inflatable ones are too bloody dear. They're about $8 each. But I'll just make up 2 aluminium rims that bolt together in the middle, and then maybe try and fit a little air fitting of some sort in there. I can pump them up. But anyway, that's the problem. The next job's going to be to start on this, I reckon that'll be fun, is to work out the gearing on that, whether it's going to be too fast for gears or belts, but we'll see. So there's a bit of an update for you.